A heavy pack is the #1 reason beginners hate their first hike. Here is exactly what to bring to keep your bag under 10 pounds. Start with water, because it is the heaviest item you will carry. For moderate weather, use this simple calculation to avoid carrying dead weight. Many beginners panic and pack 3 liters for a 2-mile walk. That is 6 pounds of unnecessary strain on your back. Carry 1 bottle and leave a backup jug in your car for when you return. Next is clothing. Do not bring a heavy winter coat, just in case. It is too bulky to carry once you warm up. Use the 3-layer system instead. For navigation, ignore advice telling you to master a compass before your first trip. Be realistic about what you will actually use. Phone batteries die in the cold or when searching for signal. Downloading your map offline via AllTrails or Google Maps is mandatory, not optional. Bring a small power bank. For first aid, skip the tactical survival kits sold online. You are going for a walk, not into combat. Focus on the injuries that actually happen. Finally, leave the fantasy gear at home. If you are on a popular trail, you do not need a knife, a fire starter, or a heavy DSLR camera you won't want to unpack. Here is your complete checklist. If an item isn't on this list, ask yourself if you truly need it to walk 3 miles. Pack light, trust the list, and enjoy the trail.